What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So pretty much today an update of the 240SX. I know it's been a little while since the last video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have done to the car lately, and hopefully we can take the car for a spin, you know, to see if we can make cool noises. Okay, so first thing that I wanted to show you guys is, look at those wheels. These are actually Work Emotion XD9. Then it looks so good. Look at that fitment with the caliper. Damn, sick. Here's the other one with my rear caliper setup, the dual caliper setup for drifting. Damn, this thing is nice. Another cool thing what I did to the car, something that I wanted to do a long time ago, is I coated the whole interior that was gutted with Herculiner. Look at all that. It looks so cool. I definitely love how it came out though. Very nice stuff. And also added a floor mat. This thing's brand new. Look at that. Nobody haven't sitting in here yet. Here's the other side. Damn, definitely cool. And also I painted it that shifter ring, the holder that holds the shift boot in place. Oh, I painted it the e-brake bracket, rose gold, a very nice color. You can see from far. Look at that. Custom. Damn, it looks so good. So pretty much here on the engine bay, I cleaned it up a little bit more. I painted it, this bracket here, rose gold. And also I reinforced it, made it a little box. This thing looks so good, very sturdy. As you guys can see, like this side is actually glossier than this side. This side is very shiny. I don't really like that. So, and also I added a wing washer reservoir with a pump. Here's the hoses, added nozzles. Everything works so perfectly. Look at that. Oh, another thing is I painted the battery tray. Everything just looks so clean now. It looks like a drift slash street car. Look at that. Look at that rose gold. Looks so good. And also on the other side, I added something really unnecessary, but I think it's cool to have it. This thing over here, this is actually a camera, you know, and also a mirror. Look at that. Sick. Everything just for safety, you know. And cool thing is this camera show the speedo. You guys can't really tell because of the sun and all that, but you can just turn this on and off, and this is gonna be the mirror for the back. It's so cool, huh? Added so many things lately though. I had this thing sitting around, you know, for a little bit, and then finally decided to put it on. I never got the time though, that's why. But yeah, car just cleaned it. Look at the wrap, so shiny. Look, everything looks so fresh. Just a little dusty. My S13 wings. The car's still sitting really good though, believe it or not. Everything is just so perfect. Cross finger. Hit on glass. Don't want to jinx it, but yeah, what do you guys think of the build? This thing is being off the channel for a little bit. I think last time I drove it was, I don't know, back in December before the COVID-19 hit, and then after that I haven't really, you know, drive this car around. So we're gonna actually go ahead and, you know, bring it around town to see if we can make cool noises on this thing. I love this car so much. Look at that. So that's pretty much it, guys. So what do you guys think? I think this thing rides really good though. It's really loud inside. I wanted to talk, but you know, it was a waste of time, so you know, I just let it flow by itself. So yeah, I think I need grippier tires on the back, because I feel like when I was on full boost on dirt, my tires were spinning on the back, so it was a little sketchy, you know. But yeah, this thing haul ass, man. This thing is really quick. I'm just so happy about this car though, you know. Like even that is, you know, 25 years old, and this thing is just run amazing, man. Like the motor is really good. I didn't have any overheat issues, and I was actually pushing it on the highway. I think my water temp, the highest was like 170, and then my oil temp was like 190. That's pretty much so. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I definitely need more grippy tires on the back, because I was feeling that, you know, I was losing actually traction on the back, you know, because I don't know, it's just too much fun, you know, too much fun driving this car around. By the way, I'm running actually 15-pound boost, so on third I actually hit 15 pounds, and it's crazy, man. This thing is crazy fast. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and also hope you guys enjoyed the ride. It was amazing. This thing just haul ass, man. This thing is really quick. This car, it could be a lot faster if I actually have a higher gear ratio on my differential, because as you guys know, you know, this setup is really, you know, built up for drifting. It's just really high on torque. I have a 469, so first and second is a very short gear. This thing is crazy, man. Crazy loud, making a lot of, you know, turbo noises. Man, this thing is just very cool to drive around. Like it brings you actually back the feeling, you know, of having a race car, you know, because this thing it was sitting in here for like 2-3 months now, you know, in the other garage. It was sitting since what, November, I remember, because I brought the car back to PA to do some, you know, drifting stuff on the street. But so yeah, so what do you guys think? I think this thing is really fast, man. This thing is like a little bee on the highway, you know. Man, shit, it's really fun to drive though. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, follow, share, and subscribe, please. And I'll see you guys next time.